Your post vise can be an extremely valuable tool in the shop. There aren't a lot of new post vices being made, and the few that there are very expensive. Old post vices are also very expensive, so it pays to take care of it. Post vise jaws fit somewhat loose in the vise because the jaw is not supported by the screw. That means that you clamp a piece off center like this, the jaws rack. They start to squeeze in. And if you do that often enough, the vise starts to get looser and looser and starts to have problems. That's not good for your vise. It's way better to clamp in the center if you can. But if you can't, if this bar needs to be vertical over here, get a spacer the same size as the bar, clamp that up, and then it's squeezing on both sides. The pressure is even. It will help hold this more solidly. It'll stay tight better, and your vise will last longer. I am not as good about this as I should be. I should use these all the time, and I don't because I get in a hurry, and that's not a good habit to be in. So I'm going to encourage you to get better habits than I have. And you can make these spacers in every size material that you might use, from 1/8 inch up to an inch, inch and a half, whatever it is you might clamp in the vise. You can use scrap material for this if you need to. Just a simple bend over to keep it from falling out is all it needs. Or I've seen some that are made up like feeler gauges that have a whole bunch of leaves of perhaps 1/8 inch material, and you just insert however many of those leaves in there you need and let the rest of them hang out. But if you take care of your vise, it's going to last longer than you will. These things are probably 100 years old anyways, and if you're taking care of it, it'll last another 100 years, maybe 200 more. If you treat them bad, they're not going to last. These are valuable tools. Treat them nice. Remember, we talked about oiling them the other day, so make sure you do that as well. But the vise jaw spacers are really a good idea. I'm going to try and be better about it, and I encourage you to be better about it as well. I hope that helps you. Hope you like the video and give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Share the videos with your friends. Stay safe. Wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.